World over, there is no nation anywhere that transforms without human resource development or without its people having enough food for them to eat, but then also to sell. Uganda being an agricultural country, we need to promote agriculture. Just a few months back, we did launch the Village Agriculture Model and the Young Entrepreneurs Initiative. These initiatives are intended to trigger or to catalyze agricultural productivity in Uganda and Busoga in particular. And we also want to add an entrepreneurial approach towards agricultural production, that when people do agriculture, they don't do it merely for subsistence, but they do it with the purpose of earning money. So we have come here together with the team of the Secretariat, one, to learn. Number two, we've come to share the experiences of the Chinese people. How have they done it? And what have we been doing wrong? What can we be able to do better so that Busoga can be able to transform and get better? Our vision is that we want to transform Busoga into the transformational epicenter for the country of Uganda, and also to make it the epicenter for the China-Uganda cooperation in terms of transformation. So we are here to study, we're here to learn, and when we go back to Uganda, we're going to share experiences and lead the transformation that we have always dreamt about.